Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Kenesha Dees. All eyes on the U.S. Supreme Court and former President Trump. A decision came down on his immunity from prosecution, and for now, Trump's election interference case remains on hold. Fox News correspondent Connor Hansen has more.
On the final day of its term, the Supreme Court handed down a blockbuster ruling, not only affecting Donald Trump, but possibly all former and future presidents, whether they can be prosecuted for things they did while in office. In one of the biggest cases of the year over whether presidents can be prosecuted, the Supreme Court dealt Donald Trump a victory and complicated special counsel Jack Smith's election interference case, ruling 6-3 that former presidents are granted broad protections for official acts taken while in office. A decision Trump celebrated on Truth Social as, quote, a big win for our Constitution and democracy.
The special counsel was arguing, as with the lower court, that there was very little immunity.
Chief Justice John Roberts wrote for the majority, saying the president is not above the law, but, quote, may not be prosecuted for exercising his core constitutional powers. In the dissent, Justice Sonia Sotomayor argued the decision, quote, makes a mockery of the principle foundational to our Constitution and system of government that no man is above the law. The case now heads back to the lower court to decide what actions in Smith's indictment can be classified as official duties.
They've essentially created a hierarchy.
Many Democrats are blasting the ruling, with Senator Richard Blumenthal calling the court out of control and saying it makes his stomach turn. The former president now awaits sentencing in his New York hush money trial after a jury convicted him on 34 felony counts. That's scheduled to happen next week. In Washington, Connor Hansen, Fox News.